Pakistani dramas are planning a big move. Let's find out. Hi, I'm Iman Khalid and welcome to Pakistan Connect News Bulletin at 3 p.m. Iran says at least 30 civilians have died in US strikes. Fatima Mohajirani, Iran's government spokesperson, says at least 30 civilians were killed over recent days due to US strikes on the south of the country, state media reported on Wednesday. According to Iranian media, 7 Iranian military personnel were martyred last night in US attacks in the Iranian city. IRGC launches new wave of retaliatory strikes on US military facilities in Kuwait, Bahrain, Jordan. The Islamic Revolution Guards Corps (IRGC) has announced a new round of retaliatory operations. The strikes, according to a group, targeted important military infrastructure, including logistics, network, and command facilities, in response to renewed US attacks on Iranian territory. Iranian president says US failed to achieve goals through military pressure. Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian has responded to recent remarks by US President Donald Trump, claiming that the Washington failed to achieve its objectives through military means. Pezeshkian stated that Iran would continue to defend every inch of its territory and would not surrender to any form of external pressure or aggression. Oil prices rise as hostilities worsen in the Middle East. Oil extended gains on Wednesday as President Donald Trump reimposed a naval blockade on all Iranian ports and Tehran launched US strike infrastructure in the region. FBR unveils fixed tax scheme for small traders. The Federal Board of Revenue (FBR) has issued the framework for a fixed tax scheme for small traders, allowing owner of a single shop with an annual turnover of up to 200 million to benefit from the proposed regime. Pakistani dramas, films, Netflix to reach out to global audiences. Pakistan is looking to take its films and television dramas to a much larger international audience, with the government confirming that discussions are underway with Netflix and other major streaming platforms. Stay connected to Pakistan Connect for more updates.